Do you want to know how to transfer money from your Cash App to your Chime account? Here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. So basically, first, you need to access your Cash App account and just enter your credentials for you to able to access it. And once you are in, you will see the profile icon located at the top right corner of your screen. You just have to click on that, and once you are in, you will see under the accounts and settings a bunch of options, but we will going to click the linked banks account. And after that, if you don't see Chime on your institution, just navigate and utilize the search bar for you to able to select or search for Chime. But if you see the Chime on your institution, just select on the Chime. After selecting it, you will be able to tender the details of your Chime account, and you will select an account that you wanted to continue with. And this page will actually pop up on your screen if the Chime account is already linked on your Cash App. Just click the Done to confirm. And that's how you send money from your Cash App to your Chime account.